gonna show you a trip to Mars. And yeah, the aliens gave me this. Ooh. And now I'm gonna show you. And I like it because it's blue. And aliens aren't blue, they're green. And aliens and people don't know that I don't know if aliens are true or not. So anyone knows the answer. Yeah, it can be yes or no. Now I'm going to show you this. I broke my finger today. Oh, this. It is blue, and yeah, this is how we turn on. We press this small little button. Press it high. Like that, huh? We go like that. To turn it off, we press it again. Long time, and then yeah, I'll show you by myself. And my baby's gonna be shocked. Okay, then that's what doesn't matter. Let's flip this over. Move. Let's flip this over. This thing. Oh, woo! Do it one more time. Oh. Whoa. Oh, I can't reach that. Oh, this thing. Wow. Perfect. Ora masico. Okay, let's try again. Okay, my baby's screaming. This is about, and yeah, I just Googled this, and my finger's broken, but don't mind me. And yeah. This is the end of the video. See you next time.